back to my channel. In this video, I unfortunately need to make, well, not unfortunately, but I need to make a drift and harden it. If you watched my previous video, I apologize for the audio. It really didn't turn out well at all. So, yeah, so my last video I started a little bit of work on this. It's going to become an axe, this ball peen hammer, but I need a proper drift. I started forging it this morning. It's not complete, but it won't take me that much longer to do. And I don't need this to mushroom, it needs to be hardened. So that's the thing. In this video, I would like to explain the technique of normalizing, heat treating, quenching, and tempering. I hope you enjoy it. So it's a little windy today, and I'm about to start up the forge, so the audio is not going to be that great. I'm just using my regular phone instead of that microphone I had last time. That was garbage. Okay, so I'm just going to show the finishing touches on my drift, and then after that is going to be the quenching process and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I'm done forging my drift. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks pretty good. So now it's the normalizing part of it. So I gotta heat this up to critical temperature, let it air cool at least 3 times before you quench. So let's do that. Okay, it's non-magnetic. Now I gotta let that air cool. And do that 3 times before I have to quench. Okay, so my drift is normalizing for the 3rd time. I'm waiting for that to get up to temperature. I'm gonna let it cool one last time, and then I'm gonna reheat it, and it's time to quench. I'll show that. But what I'm using to quench, canola oil, believe it or not. This stuff works great. And then I just turn my oven on at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's for the tempering. I'll explain that after. Okay, it's time to quench. Let's see that color. My redneck quencher. Okay. Okay, so now that that's quenched, it is, because I quenched it, It's the steel is like glass. I mean, if I drop it or hit it, it'll shatter. So now it's time for tempering. I put it in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit. I'm going to leave it in there for 2 hours. And what that does, it relieves the stress, and then everything will harden nice. So I got 2 hours to kill. Time for a beer. And I'll show the drift at the end of this video. All right, so here it is. It's been tempered for 2 hours. Now I'm going to do the test. I'm going to strike this as hard as I can on the anvil. I'm going to wear my safety glasses, gloves, and see if it shatters or it mushrooms. If it doesn't, it's hard. If it fails, well, we'll all know about it. It's hard. Did mushroom, didn't shatter. And I kept the softness at the top so it wouldn't explode in my face. Sorry. There you go. Got a hammer drift. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. My next video, I'm actually going to work on that ball peen hammer axe. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.